All right, we are under an '06 Chevy Silverado, and I thought I would capture this on video in case any of you have this issue. Now, I rebuilt this entire suspension with a new upper control arm, lower control arm, new bushings, end links, springs, shocks, knuckle, hub, outer tire rods, everything. But I noticed when I bought the lower control arms from Delphi, this is a GM, they now don't have that pressed on lower ball joint, which is good, because they're easier to replace. You don't have to press them out and press them in. You got basically some bolts that will move them. But one thing I noticed that is I was having a popping sound, and so I got out here and I took these off and started going over everything again, retorquing my settings. 81 foot-pounds on the lower ball joint, 37. The lower control arms are 129, upper are 140. But while doing that, I noticed that from the factory, that ball joint is held in with these 4 bolts and nuts, and they were very loose. And so probably my fault for not realizing that at first, but they are not tightened down. And so if you have this similar problem, I would start there and just double check it. As soon as I tighten those down, resolve the issue, no more popping. And suspension's like brand new. I did put a new rack and pinion in here also, so. But be sure you check that. If you've got these new 4 bolt that hold your ball joint, that's probably your issue. It could be your issue. A lot of times I know the upper control arm or the lower ball joint itself might be out, but I tested all that and it was stable and steady. So like I said, when I tightened it down, that took care of the issue. So if you're having similar problems, check that. You'll probably find a solution. All right, hopefully this is helpful. Again, this is an '06 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive model.